Hi peeps, today I'm just going to show you a quick video about how to do kettlebell swings. Now I've got my 16 kilogram kettlebell. Come back after the logo. Here it comes. Okay peeps, so what I want to show you today is a quick tutorial how to do the kettlebell swing. I've been a kettlebell instructor for the last probably 6 years now, and I've done other instructional kettlebell seminars around the country, three now. So I know how to use a kettlebell swing, and I see in the gyms and other places people doing swings. Okay, there's nothing wrong with them, but they need to sort of know how to use the hip hinge and the hike. So to get that movement through the hinge, and it's not really a squat, and it's not really a lift either. It's more of a push through the hips. So what I'm going to do now, because you can see my kettlebell there, I'm going to set up the camera so you can see, and I'll try and explain. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me talking about the 4 ways of doing a kettlebell swing, a two-handed kettlebell swing. Right, check back in a minute. Okay. Hope you can able to hear me okay. So the first one is just a kettlebell, let's get into frame, kettlebell deadlift. Just go down and touch the kettlebell 5 times, then pick up the kettlebell and make sure you just get the hinge at the hips up and down. So I'll show you with the kettlebell. Hopefully I'm in frame. So you're just going to stand with it just over the kettlebell, okay, and you're just going to put your hands on your thighs, push your hips back nice and deep, touch the bell, okay, and up, push your hips through, touch, there you go, straight back, touch, and on this next one, I want to pick it up and come into a deadlift. So you come, pick it up, push, straight down, push, okay, from there, I want to do sort of like a hike back. So I'm going to put the kettlebell, if you can just see, about in a triangle formation. So with the feet in triangle position, so you're going to come back, do that deadlift position, grab the bell, hike it back, push through, hike it back, push through, hike it back, push through, hike it back, push through. Okay, so the third step is going into one swing. So you're going to come down to a deadlift, grab over the bell, so you're already loaded up in that hinge position. You're going to hinge, back, hinge, swing, hip, back, swing, back, hike back, push, through, touch, push, through, back. Okay, and then we'll progress into the 4th way, and then that's into a proper like 10-15 kettlebell swings, or you can do it for time. So load up, think of triangles. Ready, hike your back. I load it back. Okay, so I'll get the camera. So that is my progressions how to do the kettlebell swing. Condensed down, if I was with a client, I would take a little bit longer, making sure the hinge, load up at the hips, and push through. It's a big hike, a push. So also, I want to take them through. I also make sure that you always start the kettlebell swing in that down hike position. So you're already loaded up, just hike it back and straight into it. A lot of people will literally go down, pick it up, I'm not sure there, but and then start like that. It's much easier, be in that position, hike it back, you're already loaded up for that. So that's my quick little kettlebell swing tutorial. I hope you like it. Please share, like, social media, and I'll see you guys soon. Check it out. Good.